In late spring and early summer of May, while the rice fields of Honglin town in Xuancheng city, Anhui province remain unplanted, there is already a buzz of excitement among the local farmers, an early harvest. They've tapped into an innovative farming method known as rice shrimp culture, which is not only boosting their incomes, but also drawing international students from the Mekong River region. What is it about this green ecological farming model that's capturing so much attention from around the world? Let's find out.
红林现代农业园区有3万多亩的稻鱼养殖面积，我们这里应该算是一个发动机之一，就通过我们研究的技术推广到他们的农户，特别是我们的技术能够走到南长江湄公河这个国家，特别是柬埔寨跟老挝，我们非常开心。所以我们这个基地承载了比较多的功能，就是一个是科学研究，第二个是人才培养，第三个是国际交流和合作，第四个是服务当地的产业。
Is this your first visit here?
Yeah, this is my first time visit this basement. Yeah.
Oh, and what do you think of this place?
This place is big. Like as I know, there are around for almost 5 hectares for experimental rice fish, and almost 10 hectares for rice fish laboratories, student dormitories. Yes, and it is a very big one. Yeah.
I've heard this rice shrimp rotation and symbiotic farming model here is a game changer in China. They're giving innovative ways to farmers to grow rice and shrimp or crayfish or prawns all together, boosting their yields and livelihoods.
This is why I'm coming here. It's not like a game changer in China, but I think it is the opportunity to other countries like the Southeast Asia, where I'm come from, Cambodia. Also, we can use this model to apply in the country also. Yeah.
你在做什么？
为农家饲料，我有780亩田吧，一亩田呢能产出4000至5000。
挺多的。
除了成本嘛，你把成本除掉嘛，一亩田嘛搞个3000块，一年收入20来万呗。
I'm getting ready to go and catch some crayfish. Okay, done. Look at this little fellow. Oh, I don't want to eat it now. Crayfish are tolerant of low temperatures, but afraid of high temperatures. Freshwater giant prawns are just the opposite. So after the crayfish harvest is completed in mid-June each year, the workers will cultivate giant river prawns in the paddy fields.
你看，这个就是我们全雄的螺丝刀虾，你看108.99克，这个就是雌的，雌的它就容易产卵，它比较小就会产卵，产卵之后它就不长了嘛。这个是全雄的螺丝刀虾，我们现在和那个浙江淡水研究所合作，能够培育出全雄的螺丝刀虾，在90%以上，就这个产的后代基本就雄的，因为雄的价格更高。
还有我看到不少留学生来这里学习。
是的，就是我们这个基地已经在读的研究生一共有8位，现在其中4位都是留学生，1位来自于柬埔寨，2位来自于老挝，1位来自于缅甸。我们接下来要和他进行现场连线。
I learned, especially in scientific base or semi-oceanology in Anhui. I saw that they use the 10 gram of the seed to stock in their rice field, and I think it is a very good way, very good to improve the survival rate of the prawn, and we can get the high production on the prawn. We rely on the exported seed from our neighboring country. So I think we had to deal with the seed, especially for genetic improvement and like a selective breeding. Or I am not specific on this, but we had to adapt this. We had to learn from China about how to produce the almond seed.
So, what's your key takeaway from today?
Today we come here to see the rice field and the crayfish productions in the rice field. Also, in the rice field we can produce like crayfish, shrimp, or prim, or any other fish that can apply in the rice field. Yes. China, or in the whole, is something like successfully in the rice field, shrimp or prawns. Cambodia, like in the lower Mekong regions, we can take some method to apply in the countries. So maybe just take one province or just one area, and if we got success from that, we can apply to the whole country, I think.
Today's visit has been truly worthwhile and eye-opening. The giant river prawn, or Mekong giant prawn, is just one fascinating example of the cooperation between China and the countries in the Mekong River Basin. As China deepens its cooperation with these countries, I believe the unique resources of the Mekong River Basin will be better developed and utilized, much like other agricultural resources. Until next time.